Unit 9, Part A, Activity 2B. Listen, check and repeat. Water pollution. Overfishing. Overpopulation. Deforestation. Air pollution. Unit 9, Part A, Activity 3A. Listen to people talking about environmental problems. Match them with the pictures in Activity 2A.
Our environmental problems are all interconnected, each of us. All kinds of living things affect one another. 1. Our rainforests, where we have the biggest number of trees, are being cleared to build more houses and factories. The Amazon rainforest in Brazil is the largest rainforest on Earth, but thousands of trees are being cut there every day. This is frightening because trees produce the air we breathe, oxygen. They also absorb carbon dioxide, the type of air we don't need, and is very dangerous to us. So, without our trees, it will be difficult to live. This problem is called deforestation.
2. Another big environmental problem is about the air we breathe. This means the air we breathe is becoming unsafe and sometimes dangerous. This is because there are a lot of harmful gases around us. There are many causes of this problem, but one of them is the bad black smoke that comes out of our factories. If the air we breathe is bad, it will be difficult to live, and we could get sick. I am really worried just thinking about air pollution.
3. Our third problem refers to the fact that the number of people in the world is increasing really fast. Because there are a lot of people on Earth, some people are cutting down our trees and destroying our rainforests so they can build houses, roads, shopping centers, and even parking lots. If there are too many people on Earth, where will the animals live? Where can we plant trees? Overpopulation is really problematic. Other living things die because of us.
Number 4. When we think of this problem, a lot of people imagine rivers and lakes filled with trash. Sometimes I feel frustrated just telling people not to throw their rubbish in the river. However, it is more than just seeing seas being filled with plastic bags, cans, bottles and other kinds of rubbish. The most dangerous thing about it is the rubbish we don't see, the harmful chemicals and substances that we throw away into our oceans, maybe thinking that they will disappear there. That is a fact that many people don't realize about water pollution.
5. Many people think catching a lot of fish, including baby fish, is not a problem at all. Well, it is a problem. We catch too many fish and we don't give enough time for them to reproduce. This is bad because in the future we might not have any fish at all. Some fish eat other fish, so when we catch a lot of them, this means other fish and animals that live in the ocean will not have food. They too die. As a result, overfishing is a really big problem and we need to do something about it.